In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant. A critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated. The first step is you want to search for Task Manager, go to Details, in here press V and look for any Valorant stuff. Vanguard doesn't matter, but anything Valorant and then end task. Then press R and look for Riot Client, and then press L and look for League of Legends and make sure you end the task. After that, come down here and search for local app data percentage local app data percentage and open up this one. In here look for Valorant folder, open it, go into saved and delete everything in here. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is search for services, click anywhere and press V, find VGC. From in here you want to double click, take automatic and press start. Just wait for it to load real quick, apply and OK. After that, what we want to do is we want to open up from where our drivers are installed. So I'm using the NVIDIA. So I'm going to open up the NVIDIA one. If you have another one, that's fine as well. Then you want to go to drivers. So simply just open the software, your driver software. Then you want to find where you can update it. And I would take the latest driver. Once you're done doing that, what you can do is try and hold down Control, Shift, Windows key and press B. This is going to quickly say like a boop sound and your screen will flash for a second and that will restart your graphics drive. After you've done that, you should hopefully have it work. So just see if this works and then you can try and restart your PC if it doesn't, and then hopefully it should work after that. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.